Hi, this is Yvonne Prin, and we are now on part 5, the key place of content navigation and how you organize your writing is of primary importance. Okay, use a system that organizes it for you. That's the easiest way to do it. Don't write the code from scratch or anything like that. Life is too short. This is again why I so love WordPress.com. Uh, on my website, effectivechurchcom.com, I have a number of lessons on how to use this. I'm going to be adding more and more. I have part 1 of a book, and I will be adding to that. This system is free. It's not difficult to use, and you can create extraordinary websites with it. With their category system, you can't help but be organized. I'm going to show you, we're going to go back to the small group site in just a second. You might start out just as a simple blog to practice to see how to do that. But with WordPress, it will develop, it will grow into a website. Now, let me show you what I mean by that. Okay, we're back at our small group website right now. Now, I'm going to go into the dashboard, and I'm going to go to categories. Okay, now you notice I have all of these different categories set up for the different Beatitudes, the meaning of meek, the Beatitudes overview, all of these kinds of things. Now, let's just click on one of the articles on being merciful. Actually, I clicked on the category. Let's go back to, well, let's just go to the front of it page here. Okay. Being merciful. Okay. See, here's all your categories. You can rename them. I named them topics. And if I go into down to the one merciful. Okay. Here we have a chart comparing mercy and grace. General meanings of mercy. What about people who don't deserve mercy? All these different articles. Now, I want to show you how this works. I'm going to go, here's the article. Let me go into the edit here. Now, see, you write up your article, but notice here on the side, on the categories, I just checked meaning of merciful and beatitude, blessed are the merciful. Now, just by doing that and then saving it, all those links on the front page, and then when I go to this page here, where see there's the shortened little summaries of the articles and all the listing of them, all of this sort of thing. I mean, isn't that a cool way to have them organized? I didn't do a thing to make that happen. Not one single thing. WordPress does all of that for you. I wrote up the article, I saved it under a category, and there it is. Boom, boom, boom. And you notice too, let me go to this particular one. Okay, this one actually has a little chart on it, but you notice this is under 2 different things. It's under meaning of merciful and under beatitude number 5, blessed are the merciful. Whoops, I didn't mean to uncheck that. But you see, you can have it be under as many categories as you want. On my website, let me go to the home page. When, for example, on this one right here, I have it under what's new under that category. Well, actually, let's just go into it and you can see which ones it's on under. Let's edit it. Of course, it has to be your site for you to be able to see what the editing is. But you notice here it's under website creation, church websites, what's new, members downloads, and ebooks. I just had to write it once. All I had to do is check these categories, and then let's look for example. Let's go back to the home page. See, it's under what's new. I'll take it off of that one in a few weeks, but here under members downloads, under ebooks, here it is, how to create free websites and blogs. And see, it's with all the other ebooks that are free for members. So you can see how the category system with WordPress, it's built in. You don't do a thing to make it happen. It's just part of the free software, and it organizes your site wonderfully for you. It summarizes these little short things. I mean, you don't do a thing. It all happens for you. Isn't that the greatest? So that's enough on organizing your site, and we will move on to the last video of the how-tos.